Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making Xcode and Vscode talk. Open Xcode and install command line tools so Xcode build and simple work. This is required for builds and simulator control. Once done, install Homebrew and then iOS Deploy or iOSim so you can launch simulators from the terminal. Make sure Vscode has a Swift extension and Code LLDB or a compatible debugger extension. This provides the adapter that attaches to the simulator. Then close Xcode and launch the iOS Simulator app to keep it ready. Now you wire the pieces together by creating a launch. JSON that tells Vscode how to build and attach. Use a pre-launch task that runs Xcode build with your scheme and the simulator destination so the app is built into derived data. Then point the debugger's program path to the app binary inside derived data and set the target device UDID or simulator name. This ensures LLDB attaches to the right process. Once configured, start the pre-launch build, then start the debug session so Vscode attaches to the running simulator. Finish by launching the simulator, running the pre-launch task to build the app, and pressing F5 to let Vscode attach via LLDB. You will see breakpoints hit and can inspect variables. Make sure you use the same simulator name or UDID that launch. JSON references and confirm the debugger adapter path matches your extension settings. If nothing attaches, try cleaning derived data, rebooting the simulator, and restarting Vscode. This often clears stale builds and connection mismatches, so attach succeeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.